today we have the Black Friday 2021 deals from Northern Tool. This is the ad courtesy of the blackfriday.com. So they are the one that has these ads. So make sure you guys check them out. So Northern Tool and Equipment, we got a nice deal here. Before we start, don't forget to help out this channel. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribes and likes. So help out. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So we got $529. This is bundle, basically a really nice bundle here. It says lithium ion, half an inch impact wrench, LED stick light, and impact socket set. So we do have this. I do have this impact wrench. This thing's a beast. Will take off anything you put on it. So 1,000 pounds fastening torque, 1,400 pounds of nut busting torque. Includes two M18 rated lithium 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and LED stick. 9-piece impact socket set, contractor bag. Regular price $619. Plus you get this for free. So you get a 3/8 ratchet and an M12 2 amp hour battery. So you get this for pretty nice deal, guys. We got a pack out here. So pretty good on the pack outs. Not not the craziest, but it's pretty good for what it is. So you got a modular toolbox storage system, $229. It does include the top toolbox, large toolbox, and rolling toolbox. Here are the prices there. You got 18-volt half-inch brushless drill driver kit, $99. You got the oscillating tool kit, $99. This is an M18. You got the M18 4.5 cordless cutoff tool grinder, $79. This remember, guys, this is not the fuel. It's the older one. You got a 15-piece impact duty titanium drill bit set, $14.99. Let's see what else we have. Alright, we got gifts under 25, $6.99 for men's impact work gloves. $16.99 for the 78 by 72 non-woven groomed industrial blanket. We got gifts under 50. You got $29.99 for the 12-volt 1 amp battery Minder Plus. It's like a battery tender. You got a $34.99 for the 40-inch low profile creeper. Alright, you got $16.99 for the 18 by 12 carpet movers dolly. You got a 4,000 lumen LED linkable shop light, $19.99. You got the 4-pack heavy duty 14 feet ratcheting tie downs, $36.99. Not too bad. Actually, they're a little pricey. Let's see here. You got $37.99 for the pneumatic roller seat with tool tray. It's pretty nice with the shop light for $20. You got a 12,000 lumen 4-panel folding utility garage light, $24.99. You got $42.99 for the WorkTunes AM/FM radio, MP3 audio and hearing protector. Alright, gives under 75 and gives under 100. Got $54.99 for the 20-ton hydraulic bottle jack. Got $84.99 for the 4,000 PSI 3/8 by 50 feet pressure washer hose. Also, it's a pressure washer hose. Got $69.99 for the 40 feet retractable cord wheel. Got $99.99 for the 49 aluminum cargo hauler. It's pretty nice. $69.99 for the 600 capacity steel hand truck. I just had to replace the tires on my hand truck. I bought them at Tractor Supply, actually. $99.99 for the 2-shelf service cart. You got an 8-gallon ATV spot sprayer, $72.99. You got $99.99 for the 7-inch cart polisher accessory kit. Right, let's see what else we got. Alright, you got 20% of the heaters off on the heaters or the Big Macs overheated heaters or systems. Alright, you got Black Friday starts now. You got 20 volt compact brushless 2-tool combo kit, $149. That's not bad, pretty good. You got a 2-pack of compact lithium ion batteries, the 3 amp hour, $99. Got 20 volt max brushless compact 1/4-inch impact driver, $99. You got a 20 volt lithium brushless drill driver and impact driver combo, $139. These are not brushless, by the way. These are just brushed tools. Still great tools though. All right, you got a 2.6 gallon per minute, 3,200 psi gas pressure washer, $319. You got a 12-inch, 3,000 psi, 4 gallons per minute surface cleaner, $124. All right, North Star proven performance, standards exceptional quality, performance design. All right, so you got 2.5 gallon per minute, 3,100 psi Honda. Pressure washer is $759. Then you got a 3 gallon per minute, 3,600 psi Honda. $1,199.99. So pretty big boys there. Got a 4,000 gallon per minute. 4 gallon per minute, 3,000 psi with stream and hot water pressure washer. $4,349. All right, you got 1.5 gallon per minute, 2,000 psi electric total stop pressure washer, $979. And then you got a 3,000 or not 3,000, 2.5 gallon per minute, 2,750 psi total stop electric wet steam and hot pressure washer, $3,339. All right, here's that. Mostly for industrial, or if you got a big yard or big ranch or something. You got a 37-ton horizontal vertical log splitter, 2019. Got a Killing Cracker Original King. You can choose from the original 12-inch 119 or the King 17-inch 139. This is what I need here. I need a shipper shredder for my yard. Got a lot of trees. All right, you got the 3-inch shipper shredder, 212cc, $599, on sale for $539. You got the 4-inch shipper shredder, 420cc engine, regular price $839. Now it's down to $159. A single axle mesh trailer, up to 1,400 pound capacity, tilt swivel, frame with quick release, $399. You got 10 by 30 motor oil, $699. This is nice. A little dump cart. 1,200 pound steel dump cart, $299. You got a 31 gallon tow behind broom broadcast and spot sprayer, $319. And then you got the 20 by 13 12 feet truck and SUV in the garage, $699 or $639. My bad. All right, let's see what else we got. Nice. We got a trailer here. Got a 5x8 trailer with rear gate, up to 1,625 pound capacity, 2,000 pound gross weight, $949. And then you got 500 pound capacity 4-post utility truck rack, $99.99. You got a 20% off of the trailer radial tires. You got, let's see, universal dual trailer coupler lock, integrated U-lock. You got two different ones here. You got universal narrow body, 1/2-inch steel shackle, dual coupler lock with integrated U-lock, down to $29.99. You get a deluxe universal dual purpose trailer coupler with integrated U-lock, $42.99. You got a trailer light kit, $24.99. Got an adjustable aluminum bar mount with 8-inch drop. This is nice for the lifted truck, $159. You got a 3,000 pound top wind A-frame trailer jack, $39.99. You got a 12 volt DC truck winch, 12,000 pound capacity, $399 from Ironton. All right, you got a scaffold frame, 60 by 60, just under, or $199.96. All right, we're gonna skip most of these. This is pretty nice, a compact platform, $27.99. You got a drywall panel hoist, $239. You got a plastic foldable sawhorse, $29.99. Like I said, we're gonna skip most of these, and we're just gonna see what's up. Oh, we got a nice. This is a 94 piece 3/8 half-inch drive impact socket set from Clutch. 199. It's pretty nice. You got a handler, 125 MIG or MIG, ready welder, 329. Got a portable electric cement mixer, 359. I need something like this too. I do a lot of concrete and stuff around the yard and stuff. You got 212cc single direction plate compactor, 689. We got some toolboxes, 41-inch tool chest, 1049. This one's a 27-inch, 799. What brand are these? Oh, these are Hallmark. So there you have the prices there. You got a 6-feet folding multi-purpose table, $49.99. You got a cart, a service cart, 4 drawers, $179. Not too bad. You got a knife and tool sharpener, $79.99 and $95. You got a 39-piece 3/8 drive socket set, $5.39 or $5.39. Pretty cheap. You got a 2-piece nylon tool bag set, $8.99. All right, we're gonna skip on these. This is nice, a pretty nice a tarp. 12 by 20, $30.99. Oh, we got some heaters, some truck boxes, a flat free tire. See, I wish I would have one of these stores around me. So I just bought some tires for my Dolly. Alright, you got 2-pack slim fit headlamps, $19.99. Or you got a 360 Versa Smart all-round 2-in-1 light, $19.99. Pretty nice. SAE metric hex key wrench sets, $8.99. You got circular saw blades, $19.99. Got a 75-piece SAE metric socket set, $19.99. Pretty nice. You got a 15-piece router bit set, $39.99. So, linkable folding crate, $11.99. Got a fully automatic wheeled battery charger with engine starter, $199.99. So this is becoming a long video here. We're almost done here. Alright, we got a Milwaukee 56-piece 3/8 drive ratcheting and socket set, $99. I think we've seen this kit in other stores. Got an aluminum pen light, 243 lumen, $11.99. Let's see what else we got. We got some toys here at the bottom. We got a speed charger here, $164.99. Schumacher. Let's see what else. That's a pretty good deal on these 6-ton jack stands. That's pretty nice. It's a pretty good deal. I have this table here. Works really good. However, it's a little pricey though. I think they went up on price though. Let's see what else they got. That's it. Got a jack here, 3.5-ton quick lift jack, $199. You got a inverter generator, 2300 watt, $519. Not too bad. Got a heater, 46,000 BTU propane heater, $129. You got 18 volts M18 cordless drill driver impact driver combo. These are not brushless. Remember, guys, these are not fuel. $159. So a little pricey on these. I would not get those. Got a 14-gallon poly steel fuel tank, basically, or caddy. $119. You got 75,000 to 200,000 BTU propane conventional heater, $109. That's it, guys. That's all of them. I do apologize for making this video too long, but this was actually a big ad here. So guys, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers put their platform by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys